Hello student, this is Vinti Rai. I am teaching you Science of class 6 and chapter 2 is going on. Let's see. Now today we will study about the deficiency disease. First of all, you should know deficiency means kami. Okay? The disease which happen due to lack of vitamins or any nutrient is called deficiency disease. See, I am going to read paragraph, then I will explain in a easy word or in a simple word. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this continue over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. See, if a person is eating enough food but that food is deficient by any nutrient, and if it continue for long period of time, then the person will suffer from deficiency. Okay, if he will take deficient diet, then that person will suffer from deficiency. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause disease. Okay, and this deficiency will cause disease if that person will take deficient diet of more than one nutrient. Okay, disease that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency disease. Okay, mean to say the disease which occur due to lack of nutrient over long period of time is called deficiency disease. If a person does not get enough protein in his or her food for long time, he or she is likely to have stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, and skin disease and diarrhea. See student, if person is taking deficient diet of protein, okay, mean to say if person is not taking protein rich diet, protein containing diet, then they will have to suffer from skin problem and from hair problem, diarrhea, such type of disease they will have to suffer. If the diet is deficient in both carbohydrate and protein for long period of time, the growth may stop completely and such a person become very lean and thin and so weak, so that he or she may not even be able to move. Now see student, if the person will take deficient diet of protein, then they will face discolor of hair and skin problem and diarrhea. Okay, but if person will not take carbohydrate and protein rich diet, they will become very weak and thin and they may not be able to walk here and there. Okay, now deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in certain disease or disorder. Some of these are mentioned in table 2.3. Now what happen if the person will not take a proper vitamins and minerals? See that some diseases are given in table 2.3. See here in this table minerals and vitamins are written, and if the person will not take that vitamin, from what type of disease they will suffer, that disease mentioned here in other column, and the what is the symptoms they will feel in that disease, that is also given in next column. See, first of all, vitamin A. A person will not take a vitamin A containing food, then they will suffer from loss of vision. Vision means dekhna. Okay, loss of vision means a person will suffer from weak eyesight. Okay, they will face problem in their eyesight. Now what is the symptoms of that loss of vision? This is the disease. Poor vision. Okay, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. Mean to say the symptoms is they will face problem in watching anything in darkness, and maybe they will suffer complete loss of vision. Okay, now vitamin B1. If the person is not taking vitamin B1 containing food, then they will have to suffer from beriberi, and the symptoms of this beriberi disease is weak muscles and very little energy to work. Okay, the person if suffer from beriberi, then their muscles become weak, and they feel very less energy to work. Okay. Now vitamin C. If person is not taking vitamin C containing food, then they will suffer from scurvy disease, and the symptoms of scurvy disease is bleeding in gums, okay, and won't take longer time to heal. First of all, your gums will not be okay in scurvy, they bleeds, and if a person's body have any wound, then that wound take too much time to heal. Okay, wound means chot you can consider, or ghav. Vitamin D deficiency disease of vitamin D is rickets. Okay, if person is not taking vitamin D in their diet, then the person will face from rickets, and the symptoms of rickets is bones become soft and bent. There mainly vitamin D is good for our bones, and if we will not take vitamin D, then our bones become very weak and soft. Calcium. Okay, next mineral is calcium, and the deficiency disease of calcium is bones and tooth decay. Okay, again calcium is also good for our bone and tooth. If we will not take calcium in our diet, then our bone and tooth became weak bones and tooth decay. Okay, if will not take calcium, then our bone become weak, and we will face from tooth decay. Next is iodine. Deficiency disease of iodine is goiter, and the symptoms of goiter is gland in the neck appear swollen, and mental disability in the children. Okay, this iodine, student, you already know, I think iodine contain in our salt, and if we will not take, if a person will not take iodinized salt in their diet, then they will suffer from goiter, and in goiter the gland which is present in our neck becomes swell, and also the person will suffer from mental disabilities. Okay, iron. Next is iron minerals. The deficiency disease of iron, person will suffer from anemia, and in the anemia our hemoglobin level became down, see, and we will feel very weak. Okay, the normal and healthy persons have hemoglobin level 12 to 13, but if you are suffering from anemia, then your hemoglobin became less than 6. Okay, and the result is you will feel very weak. So student, these are the table in which deficiency disease and their symptoms are written here. You also will write this table in your fair copy and try to learn all the disease and their symptoms. Okay, if we will not take that vitamin and minerals, then what type of disease we will face and what is the symptoms of that disease. Okay, all deficiency disease can prevented by taking a balanced diet. Now see, we studied about the deficiency disease and what is the remedy of that disease. The main remedy to get rid from such type of disease is to have and to take a balanced diet. Okay, because our balanced diet include all type of nutrients, minerals, fibers, water, everything in a proper quantity. So the person want to get rid from that disease, so they should take a balanced diet. Okay, in this chapter we asked ourselves the reason why widely varying food from different region had a common distribution. This distribution we find ensure that our meals have a balance of different nutrients needed by the body. Now say student, you might have seen all the states have different kind of food items, but the ingredients are same. Okay, they also use the same ingredient, and that ingredients have all nutrients. Their food items are different, but they used same ingredient, and their ingredient have all type of nutrients also. Okay, So such type your chapter 2 is completed. In next video I will give you all exercise. Then you will write down that exercise in your copy. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.